With development of transport infrastructure in China today, we are faced with three major challenges. First, the resource required for road construction will be increasingly scarce. Second, environmental pollution caused by lots of waste asphalt mixture due to road maintenance is becoming more and more severe. Third, traditional asphalt equipment will cause serious pollution to the environment. Therefore, we urgently need high-tech construction equipment. With this equipment, we can not only protect the environment, conserve resources, and reduce cost, but also guarantee the road quality. Since 1992 and 2002, Wuxi Xuetao Group respectively began to develop asphalt mixing plant and the first domestic set of solid waste asphalt recycling plant. After so many years' experience, Wuxi Xuetao Group has developed a perfect technique system of asphalt mixing plant, asphalt hot recycling plant, and construction technology, and participated in redacting national industrial standards of asphalt mixing plant and asphalt hot recycling plant. The popularization of this technology will have a profound impact on China's road construction industry. Combining this technology with repeated practices, since 2011, Wuxi Xuetao Group has first launched the IHAMP series in-house environmental asphalt hot recycle plant throughout the country against the three major pollutants: dust, noise, and smells produced by ordinary asphalt mixing plant. This plant consists of fully enclosed factory building, assembly line type equipment, environmental device, and other auxiliary system. After installation, it can satisfy the city environmental requirements. Fully enclosed factory building is the fundamental part to control the spread of dust, noise, and smells. The traditional tower type plant higher than 25 meters can be installed into a standard factory building. But the assembly line type plant produced by Xuetao Group is only about 15 meters high. It can be installed into a normal stand factory building with height of 18 meters. In this case, dust can be totally blocked out and the smells and noise can almost be cut off. The factory building is divided into equipment area and raw material stacking area. Automatically feeding system is used in raw material stacking area. Stones of different size are sent to corresponding stockpiles. During production, signals are sent to computer via level indicator on the cold feed hoppers. Then grabs controlled by the computer will send the stones to cold feed hoppers. The loading machine is no longer used in this process, so dust will be greatly reduced. Dust shields are fixed on the hoppers and the two conveyors to reduce dust spillover effectively. Besides, smoke and dust collection system is fixed at the discharging of mixer. This system can suck out more than 90% smoke during material discharging and deliver smoke to the burner of dry drum for complete burning to reduce harmful gas. Before cleaning the mixer after production every day, first, discharge fine materials in silo number 1 into the enclosed filler silo. Then clean the mixer with rough materials. In this way, dust can be effectively reduced. All bitumen tank vents are connected by pipelines. Smoke will be delivered to burners of thermal oil heater and the dry drum for completely burning to reduce harmful gas and the spread of smells. Noise, as one of the industrial three wastes, is also a big problem during production. Noise from induced draft fan is the loudest and the most distant spread of sound source. Silencers are fixed into the inlet and outlet connecting ducts of induced draft fan for a faster denoising. Soundproofing and insulation devices are fixed outside the aggregate elevator vibration screen and hot bin to reduce the friction sound between aggregates and the steel board effectively. Desulfurization and purification of smoke has been a new environmental requirement for asphalt mixing plant in recent years. Harmful gas such as sulfur dioxide and benzopyrene out from dry drum can be cleaned through the first cyclone deduster and the second filter bag dust collection. It needs special treatment to avoid polluting the outside world. Wet desulfurization technology can solve this problem. Filtered smoke is discharged through the upside mist separator and the Venturi's deduster. To ensure a better working environment in the factory building, we have additional solutions. For example, fix an air supply and a ventilation system on the building walls to help indoor air circulate. The air exhausted out of the building will be processed through dust collection. In this way, it ensures good air condition inside while not affect the external environment. Normally, there won't be lots of dust in the building. In case any accidents, the sprinkler system at the top of the building will be started immediately. With the atomized water, it can quickly collect the dust. We suggest building this whole project in 5 steps. First step, plant foundation and building foundation can be planned simultaneously and implemented step by step. Second step, finish installation of the in-house environmental asphalt mixing plant. Third step, complete the factory building in the plant area or choose an eligible idle factory building in the park. Fourth step, fix the ventilation system inside the factory building and the dust collection system and the deodorization filtration system outside. Fifth step, complete the factory building in the material stacking area, connect it to the factory building of the main plant, and satisfy all planning requirements in the park. IHAMP series of in-house environmental asphalt hot recycle plant is currently the only equipment which can be installed in the suburban area or industrial parks and comply with the national environmental requirements. This kind of plant has been used successfully in many places. This plant has won 3 invention patents and more than 10 utility model patents. Meanwhile, Wuxi Xuetao Group, at the main drafter, redacted the National Industrial Standards production line of asphalt mixture in factory building. Trust the Wuxi Xuetao Group. The IHAMP series of in-house environmental asphalt hot recycle plant is the best choice to progress your project construction smoothly.